Welcome, guitar class. Today we're going to continue with Etude in E minor by Francisco Tárrega. We worked on it last week. It's backward arpeggio in triplets. Now we're going to look at the first bar here, and each one of these strings, each one of these lines rather, represents a string on the guitar. And this is what you call tablature. So you're seeing the first triplet here, and you see that the piece is written in 3/4 time. And the fingers that you use to pluck the strings. So you're going to pluck the first string with your ring finger, middle finger for the second string, index finger for that third string. So these two notes are plucked together simultaneously. So blum bum bum, blum bum bum, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now the second triplet. You're going to hold down that first string in the third fret. You're going to use the same plucking pattern. Blum, 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 blum. Notice there's no pinching with the third or for the first string with the sixth string. And this triplet repeats itself. So blum, bum, 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 bum. So that's the first bar of Etude in E minor, and I will show you, I will demonstrate. Now let's look at the second bar. This is the second bar of the piece, and as you can see, 3 triplets. This triplet looks a little bit different because on that first string we're going to be holding down that first string in the third fret using our pinky. That way we can form the notes in the second and third triplet. And I will show you this technique. And once again, you're going to be squeezing the first note together using 2 strings. We're going to be holding down that first string in the third fret, and we're going to pinch that string with the 5th string open. So it's not the 6th string like the first example, all right? And then you move on to the second triplet, and you've moved your fret from the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret of that first string, and you're going to maintain the same position with the 2nd string and the 3rd string, okay? And you can see that's going to repeat itself. It all repeats itself. So when you put these strings down in the frets, it's going to form the chord D7, and I will show you that. Okay, so this looks really complicated, but it's not. Once you orient yourself with the strings, first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, sixth string, and then you orient your fingers on your strumming hand, the plucking fingers are going to be ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and you kind of get comfortable with it. So we're going to just go over these first 2 examples, beginning of the piece of music, and it's quite melodic, very beautiful. I think that you'll enjoy it. Now I'm going to show you how it should sound. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and you'll hear what it sounds like. Okay. I want to be sure that you catch this hand doing what I'm telling you to do. So we're going to go to the first page that we looked at, and I'm plucking the 1st and the 6th string together using my ring finger and my thumb, like this. And then to finish the triplet, I'm going to go like this. Middle finger, that's the first triplet. And then the second and third triplet of that first bar is going to sound like this, because I'm going to hold down the first string in the 3rd fret. Okay, this is it. All right, first bridge. And now to that second page, Notice I'm still holding down that first string in the 3rd fret. And now I'm going to put my index finger down on the 2nd string, the 1st fret, and I'm going to put the ring finger, or the middle finger of this hand, on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So I'm like this. And then the following triplet will sound like this. But I'm going to pinch the 3rd and 5th string together like this. And then to finish the 2nd and 3rd triplet, I'm going to put down my ring finger on the 1st string, the 2nd fret, forming the chord D7, and then I'm going to just hit the 3 notes in the triplet. So it'll sound something like this. All right. Pluck in that 1st and 5th string together. All right. Do it again. 1st triplet. Sound like that. Pluck, middle finger, index finger. And now the 2nd triplet, I'm going to form the chord D7. So it should sound like this. 1st triplet, D7. So what I went over today should sound like this. I'll do it again. One more time. Talk to you in class at 1 o'clock.